floods. I know most of this thing is with the municipality, but as a MLA, you also have a responsibility. The floodings and I told you about the garbage. The garbage is the main issue what caused the floodings.
No, there are two ways to look at it. Uh, Mapusa is connected to the Mapusa River, and Mapusa River deposits everything into the Mandavi. When we speak about Mapusa River, it ends somewhere in Parra and on the other side somewhere in Giri. And we all know that there has been, we've had major issues with the Tarikodlo, Tarigade munta ami. But Tarigade is just a point. It is not just one point that is congested. The whole river is basically the issue.
The river flow is also disrupted because of the highway.
Yes. So I would say that ultimately we are on an elevated land. Whatever rains on top has to go down, and as it goes down, it has to be pushed forward. If the end space is blocked, then the water remains in Mapusa.